Best Pickleball Paddle. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddle? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddle on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. This USA Pickleball approved paddle, built with a high-quality 3K raw carbon fiber surface (CFS), is ideal for both novice and professional pickleball players seeking enhanced spin and control. The 3K raw carbon fiber design incorporates a high-grit texture that improves spin potential, allowing players to create more nuanced shots and precise angles during play. The paddle's surface is engineered for a responsive feel, which not only enhances ball control but also helps players with various skill levels to improve their performance and consistency on the court. At the core of this paddle is a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb structure, which offers a balanced combination of power and durability. This honeycomb core construction helps absorb vibrations, resulting in a smoother feel and more comfortable gameplay. It's particularly beneficial for players who want to reduce strain on their arms and wrists, as it provides cushioning on impact without compromising responsiveness. The 16mm thickness strikes a balance between power and finesse, making it suitable for different playing styles and preferences. In terms of ergonomics, the paddle is designed to be lightweight, which allows for quick reactions and enhanced maneuverability. The handle is crafted for a comfortable grip, giving players greater control and ease during prolonged sessions. Whether you're playing competitively or recreationally, this paddle's combination of high-grit carbon fiber and a polypropylene honeycomb core makes it versatile and reliable on the court. This paddle is particularly suited for those who value both spin and control in their gameplay, as well as a lightweight design that doesn't compromise on power. It's designed to withstand regular use, making it a good investment for long-term players. The USA Pickleball approval further confirms its adherence to quality standards, allowing it to be used in official tournaments and events. With its thoughtful construction and focus on player comfort and performance, this pickleball paddle caters well to both beginners seeking improvement and seasoned players looking for a competitive edge. Number 2. This USAPA-approved carbon fiber pickleball paddle is built with an innovative design aimed at delivering both power and control for a wide range of players. Featuring an arrow throat, this paddle improves airflow around the handle, allowing for a more streamlined swing and reduced drag. This aerodynamic feature supports faster reactions and greater maneuverability, particularly beneficial in high-intensity play, where quick response time is essential. The paddle comes with options for either a 13mm or 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core, allowing players to choose the level of thickness that best suits their gameplay. The 13mm core provides a bit more power, favored by those who prefer an aggressive playing style with a faster ball response. Meanwhile, the 16mm core offers additional control and shock absorption, catering to players who value precision and a softer feel on impact. Both thickness options are designed with a lightweight core that retains durability, giving players a balance between strength and responsiveness. A textured carbon grit surface further enhances the paddle's spin potential, allowing players to add more finesse and variation to their shots. This textured surface gives a higher level of grip on the ball, enabling more controlled spins and improving shot accuracy, especially useful for intermediate to advanced players looking to fine-tune their techniques. The paddle's carbon fiber composition offers durability and a lightweight feel, essential for extended matches. This material choice combines power and control, ensuring that players can make both powerful drives and subtle dinks with ease. The paddle's handle is ergonomically designed to reduce strain, supporting a firm, comfortable grip during long play sessions. This paddle is suited for competitive and casual players who want a customizable experience, offering options in core thickness to fit various play styles. With the USAPA seal of approval, it's eligible for use in official tournaments, which underscores its quality and performance standards. Altogether, the arrow throat, polypropylene honeycomb core options, and textured carbon surface make this paddle a versatile choice for anyone seeking a blend of speed, control, and spin capability on the pickleball court. Number 3. The CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle is designed for players seeking enhanced power and control. Built with a high-performance carbon fiber face, this paddle ensures durability and excellent ball feel, making it ideal for both competitive and recreational play. The carbon fiber surface is engineered for maximum spin potential, allowing players to generate more movement on the ball, whether for aggressive shots or controlled spins. One standout feature of the CRBN X series is its foam-injected edges, which significantly expand the sweet spot across the paddle face. This innovation provides a larger area for effective ball contact, making it easier to hit powerful and accurate shots even on off-center hits. The expanded sweet spot improves consistency, giving players more confidence during rallies, especially on less-than-perfect strikes. The paddle also features a lightweight and balanced design, which contributes to excellent maneuverability on the court. This allows players to react quickly and position the paddle with precision for both fast exchanges and strategic placement. Whether executing strong drives or delicate dinks, the CRBN X series is versatile enough to suit a variety of playing styles. In terms of comfort, the paddle's ergonomic handle is designed to reduce hand fatigue, providing a firm and comfortable grip during extended play sessions. This makes it a great option for players looking to elevate their game while maintaining ease of use. Overall, the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle offers a blend of power, spin, and precision. Its foam-injected edges, carbon fiber construction, and expanded sweet spot make it a strong choice for players who value both control and power in their performance. Number 4. These carbon fiber pickleball paddles are designed for players seeking exceptional spin, power, and consistency on the court. Featuring a 16mm Shark Power polymer core, the paddles offer a perfect balance of power and control, making them ideal for players of all skill levels. The Shark Power core provides excellent ball control and shock absorption, reducing vibrations on impact for a more comfortable feel during extended play. The carbon fiber face of the paddle enhances its durability and provides a high level of responsiveness. This material choice also boosts spin potential, allowing players to generate more spin on their shots, which is crucial for controlling the ball and executing precise maneuvers. Whether you're aiming for aggressive drives or controlled dinks, the carbon fiber surface delivers a reliable and consistent performance. The 16mm core thickness offers a perfect compromise between power and control, ensuring that players can produce powerful shots while maintaining accuracy and consistency. This core also helps expand the sweet spot, making it easier to strike the ball cleanly and consistently, even on off-center hits. In addition to its performance features, the paddle is lightweight and well-balanced, allowing for quick reactions and enhanced maneuverability. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long matches, and ensuring a secure grip for optimal control. Overall, these pickleball paddles combine cutting-edge materials and thoughtful design to deliver excellent spin, consistency, and power. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your game or an experienced player seeking advanced performance, these paddles provide the features necessary to elevate your play. Number 5. The JOOLA Ben John's Hyperion Pickleball Paddle is designed for players seeking enhanced power, spin, and control on the court. Featuring a carbon fiber surface, this paddle maximizes spin potential, allowing players to add more precision and movement to their shots. The carbon surface provides a responsive feel, ensuring excellent ball control and consistent performance, whether executing powerful drives or delicate dinks. One of the key features of the Hyperion paddle is its elongated sure grip handle. This longer handle provides more leverage and control, allowing players to make two-handed backhands with ease and offering greater comfort for those with larger hands. The ergonomic grip helps reduce hand fatigue, ensuring a secure and comfortable feel throughout extended play. The paddle's honeycomb polypropylene core is engineered to offer a perfect balance of power and control. The core structure enhances ball cushioning, reducing vibrations and providing a softer feel on impact, which is particularly beneficial for players who want more accuracy without sacrificing power. The polypropylene material also contributes to the paddle's lightweight design, improving maneuverability and responsiveness during quick exchanges. This combination of carbon fiber surface, elongated handle, and honeycomb polypropylene core makes the JOOLA Ben John's Hyperion paddle a top choice for players looking to improve their spin, power, and overall consistency. Whether you're a competitive player or someone seeking to enhance your game, this paddle offers the perfect blend of performance features to elevate your pickleball experience.